Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I just wanted to unbox my Golden Eagle dipstick. So I already opened it yesterday. So let me just I opened it yesterday to see what it looks like. But for your guys' preferences or interests, comes in that little bag. I got the black one so it can match my car. But other than that, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. It's made out of like metal, so the material's awesome. Welcome back. Let me just change this little dipstick real quick. Pop this hood. I already popped it. To the box. Just Yep, there goes my baby. Let's take this old, crusty ass, stock as oil dipstick out. Okay. Place it on the floor. Take the new one out and place it in. Hopefully everything. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. It has like a little shock, like if I put it all the way in too much, it'll pop back out. But yeah, that makes it look better. You're not gonna know how much I spent for this. I spent $50, but this is something I really wanted. And it's high quality, but I know a lot of people be like, why would you spend $50? My oil's, how can I tell if my oil's even good? I mean, I know I have oil. But yep, there goes a Golden Eagle dipstick. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, you already know what to do. See ya. I want to be here. Peace.